Everyone comes to the market for one reason: to make money fast. But that's where most people go wrong. Because the market is not a shortcut to wealth. It's a test of your mindset. Most beginners think there's some secret strategy, some hidden indicator that guarantees profit. So they keep searching, jumping from one system to another. One day it's AI stocks, next day it's crypto, then forex, then something else. But nothing works. And slowly, they lose money and confidence. Here's the truth. Trading is not about prediction. It's about probability. You will lose trades, a lot of them. That's part of the game. The goal is not to be right every time. The goal is to survive. Because if you survive, you can win. But survival requires discipline and patience. And most people don't have either. We live in a world of instant results. People want quick profits, quick success, quick everything. But real wealth is slow, very slow. There was an investor in India who turned a small amount into billions, not in 1 year, but over decades. His secret? Not strategy, character. Because wealth is built on behavior, not intelligence. So what should you actually do?
I've had enough of this. Much better.
Simplify everything. Stop chasing complexity. Pick one market, one strategy, and master it. Focus on basics: price, trends, support, and resistance. That's it. The more simple it is, the more powerful it becomes. Now here's the most important part: risk management. This is everything. Even the best traders lose, but they control how much they lose. Before entering a trade, they already know how much they're willing to lose, and they accept it. No emotions, no hesitation, just discipline. They risk small, so they can stay in the game, because one bad trade should never destroy you. And here's something most people ignore. Your emotions are the real opponent. Fear, greed, impatience. That's what ruins traders, not the market. So start small. Trade with real money, but keep it tiny, because the goal is not profit, it's control. Control your emotions, control your decisions. And finally, focus on process, not profits. Take only a few trades. Follow your rules and track everything. Write down your trades, your mistakes, your decisions, because your journal is your mirror. It shows you who you really are as a trader. And over time, you improve, not because of luck, but because of awareness. At the end of the day, it's not you versus the market. It's you versus you. Win that battle, and everything else follows.